Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Rumi and today I'm going to be reviewing this gorgeous handbag from KateSpade, which is from my series called Best Handbags Under $200. So if you guys have not yet watched my previous video on the same, wherein I have reviewed my Coach handbag, I will link it in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. By the way, all my handbag related videos, may it be handbags, wallets, handbag organizers, and so much more will be in my playlist under bags, which is again on my YouTube channel, so you can look it up there as well. And so yeah, if you guys want to have a good quality handbag which is affordable as well, keep on watching. So this is the bag which I'm going to be reviewing today, and this is from KateSpade. It is called Laurel Evangelie. This is such a beautiful handbag. I again got it from surprise.katespade.com, which is a legit KateSpade website. And this is how the bag looks. Now this is a metallic cross-hatched leather with matching trim all over, as you guys can already see, and it has capital Kate jacquard lining. As you guys can already see, it has 14-karat gold plated hardware. Here they have a gold plate which says KateSpade New York. This is such a beautiful blush pink color. I really love it. I usually carry this bag during spring because it's such a beautiful spring color. Now this style of bag is called a satchel, and this is a medium size, and it has magnetic closure, and it has a removable strap as well. So now let me go ahead and show you the bag. These are the magnetic closures here and here. That's how the bag opens, and it has an interior zipper in the middle. On one side it says KateSpade New York, and there's a zipper inside wherein they have a care card again, which again says how to take care of your bag. So I always like to keep these safe inside my bag. And this interior zipper, it's quite deep. You can easily put in your valuables here. And on the other side they have double side pockets wherein again you can put your stuff. And here they have a silica gel, which again I always like to keep inside my bags, my shoes, because it again protects your bag from humidity. And it also comes with this removable strap. Now let me go ahead and show you the center partition. There you go. It's quite deep as well, where you can put again your important stuff. I really like the gold hardware of the bag. It looks very classy, very beautiful. Now let me go ahead and show you how it looks on me. Now just to give you guys a basic idea of how much this bag can fit, let me go ahead and show you what's all inside this bag. So first of all, I have my wallet. This is again a KateSpade wallet, and I have made a video specifically reviewing this wallet. If you guys have not yet watched that, I will link that in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. So that's my wallet. And there I have my sunglasses, which are just a regular pair of sunglasses, and these are from Dolce & Gabbana. And now inside the interior zip pocket, I have a lip balm. It's a Burt's Bees lip balm. I really love this one. And then I have 2 lipsticks, a hair clutcher. That's it on this side. And now let me go ahead and show you what's on the other side of the bag. So here I have my hair comb. This one is a wooden hair comb. I really like it. And in the middle compartment, I have my sunscreen because it's summer. And then I have my moisturizer, a travel size serum, an eye cream. And then I have my perfume. This one is called Alien from Thierry Mugler. This perfume I have showed in my top 10 long-lasting perfumes. If you guys have not yet watched that video, I will link that up in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. And then I have a scrub cleanser. I have a night cream just in case. And that's about it. Actually, I would have easily been able to fit more, but that was all in my bag for now. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with all your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. Just a little heads up, for my next bag series I will be reviewing this handbag organizer. This is I think polyester or fabric material. This is such a awesome piece which I think every one of you should have in your handbag. So if you guys want to know more, hit on that subscribe button, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I post a new video. So until next time, bye bye, and have a beautiful day ahead. Bye.